everyone, so let's move towards our today's topic, which is
regions of abdomen. It's very important because of सर्जिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. जब आप सर्जरी करते हैं, डॉक्टर सर्जरी करते हैं, तो उनको ये पता होना चाहिए कि कौन सी जगह पे आपको सर्जरी करनी है. अगर आप बताते हो आपको यहाँ दर्द हो रहा है, तो डॉक्टर आपको देखता है, आपकी उस जगह को देखता है, एंड देन इट विल बी ईजी फॉर द डॉक्टर टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट कहाँ पे दर्द है. एंड दोज हु आर लिसनिंग दिस, हु आर वाचिंग दिस लेक्चर, they know that this lecture is for medical students, and you will be inshallah doctor. If you all are future doctors, so in future when you will become a doctor, you will see that these regions are very important. So in practical life, in professional life, as well as in study, in exam point of view, it's very important. So to remember these things, it's very easy to memorize. I will tell you the whole easy thing to memorize to make this topic easy for you. Now moving towards the topic, 9 regions होते हैं पूरे abdomen के. As you can see the diagram in Easy Medical Book Volume 2. So there are like 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines. Okay, so the horizontal lines are called as transpyrolic plane, okay, or transpyrolic lines, and the vertical lines are called as tubercular lines or transtubercular planes. Okay, now vertical lines one is on the left side and another is on the left side. It's easy to memorize it, that's why I'm talking and I am giving the introduction first, then we will talk about the memorization point of view कि किस तरह आपने memorize करना है. So the vertical lines are from the midpoint of the clavicle. Okay, as you know that clavicle is present in the shoulder region. So the middle point of the clavicle bone, from that point a vertical line, you have to draw a vertical line on the right side. Obviously there are 2 clavicles on each side of the body, in each shoulder, right and left shoulder. So what happened, from each clavicle, from midpoint of the clavicle, a line, you can draw a line vertically downward, and that line is called as, like I said, transtubercular plane, or you can also say that it is also known as mid clavicular lines. Okay, now 2 horizontal line, 1 horizontal line. Okay, I forgot to tell you one thing which is very important, that this whole abdomen region, what is abdomen? The region which is present below the thoracic cavity, which starts from below the diaphragm. Okay, that region is basically abdomen, and above the lower limb, below diaphragm, this region of human body is called as abdomen. Now it's divided into 9 regions. How? 2 vertical lines, which we have already discussed, and 2 horizontal lines. 1 horizontal line, which is upper horizontal line, you can also say that. So it is passing at the level of L1 vertebrae from it's very easy, and होता ये कि जो स्टर्नल है, ज़ीफॉइड पॉइंट है, ज़ीफॉइड पॉइंट है, एंड बिलो ज़ीफॉइड पॉइंट अगर आप अपना हाथ रखो पूरा का पूरा, सो हाथ बिल्कुल जहाँ पे एंड हो रहा है वहाँ पे एक डॉट रखें, आप डॉट बनाएं, या वहाँ पे पॉइंट रखें, एंड देन वहाँ पे आप लाइन ड्रॉ करें. सो बेसिकली दैट लाइन विल बी एट द लेवल ऑफ L1 vertebrae, और in some books it written as कि that line will be at the level of L3. So you have to memorize it कि L1 और L3 vertebrae के लेवल पर ये वाली लाइन होती है, जो कि 9 regions बनाने में हेल्प करती है. एंड द लास्ट लाइन इज़ द लोअर horizontal line, which is present between the tubercles of the iliac bone. Okay, as you know that iliac bone consists of iliac tubercles, and between right and left iliac tubercles, these are joining the line which is joining the right and the left iliac tubercle, is forming the lower horizontal line. So the result, you can also say that you can also see in the Easy Medical Book Volume 2 the result, which is like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 regions are formed. Now first we will gonna talk about the middle column. Okay, I have drawn a column for you. I have written those names, but how to memorize it, it's very easy. First, we will gonna talk about the middle column, the names which are present in the middle column, 2, 5 and 8. Okay, so the second region, the 2 number indicates the epigastrium. Okay, it's above the stomach, so you can easily say, or it is above the gastric gland, so you can easily say that it is epigastrium. And this region, the second region, is just below the diaphragm, just below the xiphoid process. Below second region, fifth region, which is umbilical region, umbilical cord and umbilical things and umbilical cord and many other things, jejunum, ileum will be here. And then if I talk about the eighth region, hypogastrium, so obviously epigastrium means ऊपर, गैस्ट्रियम के ऊपर, गैस्ट्रिक ग्लैंड्स के ऊपर. और एट रीजन हाइपोगैस्ट्रियम मींस गैस्ट्रिक ग्लैंड्स के, गैस्ट्रिक ऑर्गन्स के नीचे. सो दैट्स वेरी सिंपल टू मेमोराइज इट. नाउ मूव टूवर्ड्स द अदर रीजन. नाउ if you memorize the middle region and the right region, you will easily memorize the left region. Okay, left column, sorry, not regions, left column. So right column is right. You will easily see that I have drawn a chart in which the right column and the left column are on above these column headings are present के right है और ये left है. But the names are similar, because if I talk about the first region, so first region is the right hypochondrium, whereas the left column, the third region is left hypochondrium. ठीक है. फिर अगर हम बात करें फोर्थ रीजन की, तो वो राइट लंबर रीजन होगा. और अगर हम लेफ्ट कॉलम में बात करें तो सिक्स रीजन होगा लेफ्ट लंबर रीजन. अगर मैं बात करूँ सेवेंथ रीजन की, जो कि राइट कॉलम में है, तो वो होगा राइट इलियक फोसा रीजन. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द लेफ्ट कॉलम, सो द नाइन्थ रीजन विल बी iliac fossa. Okay, and that will be left iliac fossa because it is present on the left side. So to memorize the right and the left column, you have to memorize three names: hypochondrium, lumbar region and iliac fossa. Now if it is on the right side, you will say that right lumbar region, right iliac fossa region, right hypochondrium. If it is on the left side, so you will say left hypochondrium, left lumbar region and left iliac fossa. So it's very easy to memorize this 9 regions. But remember, these 9 regions are very, 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 very important, not just for exam point of view, but in future for surgeries, to become, when you will become a doctor, you have to know these 9 regions. It will help you a lot. Till then, what you have to do: work hard, study hard, and good luck. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.